Okay guys, I'm going to show you how I clean my lace and shampoo my wigs. First, I'm going to take a dry towel and I'm going to actually take it and gently roll the glue off. This is going to be super easy, guys, if you have applied that lace to your skin properly. Sometimes it won't come out, and I see some people using a bristle brush. That will make your lace shed. So you want to take some lace remover, spray it on, let it sit, and then you can run warm water on top. Allowing that lace remover to sit is going to allow the glue to dissolve, and when you place it under warm water, it will rinse out just fine. Then we're going to go in with a clarifying shampoo and then a regular moisturizing shampoo and conditioner. I'm going to be very, very gentle in how I handle my wigs because I don't want to stretch them out. If you notice here, I folded my wig inside out so that I can get in and vigorously shampoo this wig. Now, when I fold it back on the other side, I have to be gentle. Now I'm going in with some moisturizing shampoo after that clarifying, just to add the moisture back into the hair, and then I'm going to condition it. If you notice here, I am shampooing it separately. I'm shampooing the bottom, then I'm going back up here at the top. When you go ahead and use a wig brush on this wig, you want to be very gentle when you're on the lace and try not to stretch it and try not to brush those knots. Take the brush and just brush the hairs gently. Now we're going to go in and do a conditioner. On my conditioners, it just depends if I'm going to just let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, or if I feel the conditioner needs to sit longer, I'll put it in a plastic bag. Be very gentle in brushing on top of the lace. After I rinse the conditioner out, I'm going to take my foam and I'm going to mold the hair back. And then I'm going to take my satin band and some straight pins. Don't use a T-pin, that will tear your lace.